Good morning. Greetings to everyone on this Wednesday morning. This is my little helper Willow. We've still got Willow. So if you hear some noise in the background and stuff after she jumps out of my lap, you'll know what the problem is. What's making the noise. It's the Willow Beast. Is one of our drivers is still in the hospital, so we've got his little 3-month-old Basenji, however the heck you pronounce that. But, yeah, she's cute as a Dickens, aren't you, Willow? Yes, you are. But, yeah, she's a little terrorist and tends to get into just about everything. And she doesn't bark so much as that little yodel she just let out. She's getting to be a little bit more vocal as she gets older. But anyway, enough of that in my little helper. Oh, there she goes. Okay, anyway, on to the weather and roads and stuff. Oh, by the way, I'm Greg, and that was Willow. But as you can see, getting some weather across, was it New Mexico and Texas here, and heading into Oklahoma City and stuff. So we got a winter weather advisory up. 1 to 3 inches along the panhandle of Texas there on I-40, so that's occurring now, so be aware of that. Other than that, let's see now, you got a special weather statement for up here. Oh, wind chills and stuff around the, was it the south of St. Louis, over towards Nashville. Not quite as far as Nashville, not quite as far as Louisville, but Evansville area, that section of eastern Missouri and southern Illinois and Indiana. And then up here by Indianapolis, got more wind chill advisories. That stretches all the way up through Chicago area towards Minneapolis and northern Minnesota. And you've got another wind chill advisory over here by Dickinson in North Dakota. God, I can't imagine why you would be getting wind chill advisories in North Dakota in the end of January. Anyways, oh, excuse me, it's a wind advisory. Yeah. I can't imagine any kind of wind and whatnot across North Dakota and South Dakota there. You got another wind advisory over here by, Lewiston? Or not Lewiston. Or Livingston. Yeah, that's it. Livingston. Stretching all the way from just east of Bozeman to almost over to Big Timber. So wind's going to be howling through there, so be advised of that. So I know I've gotten knocked around numerous times going across that route. Other than that, not seeing much going on up here in the Northeast, but according to my weather guessers, you're going to get hammered this weekend with a possibly, like especially around the Boston up into Maine area, about like, they're talking 2+, maybe even 3 feet of snow. And it's not going to be as much down in Virginia, but yeah, if it were me, I'd be looking for loads keeping me out west rather than going up into the Northeast and having to battle that crap. But that's just me. So they got a wind advisory over here in by Las Vegas, stretching down to Lake Havasu, that area, around Lake Mead, or what little water's left in Lake Mead. And it looks like they got another wind advisory down over here in the LA area, Los Angeles. Wind gusts expected to 45, or winds expected to 45, gusts to 50 in the foothills. And what was it for over here? How breezy is it going to be going across the dam and whatnot? 20 to 30, gust to 45. So, yeah, if you're going to be going across the Hoover Dam there, or Boulder Dam, whichever you want to classify it as. Not much going on up here in the northwest right now. Air stagnation and dense fog advisory. It's not very foggy here where I'm at, 20 miles west of Seattle, here in the Puget Sound in Kitsap County. But I guess areas around here might be getting more fog than we are. So let's go and bounce over here to the roads real quick and see what they have to say. Like I say, the passes up here are in good shape. There's no, other than the morning commute traffic and stuff, there's really not much in the way of slowdowns up in this neck of the woods that I've noticed this morning. And as we zoom out, you can see that the interstates are all showing green here. Not seeing any slowdown anywhere out here until you get down into the on I-40 here and around Amarillo and stuff, because of the snow and stuff that there's rolling through there right now. It's turning that into a slip and slide. So you can see there's slow traffic on I-40, and then again heading down towards Lubbock, they got a little bit of a slowdown just south of Amarillo. So other than that, traffic's looking pretty good. Across the rest of the nation, I don't see any more slowdowns there, other than they're probably getting, looks like they might still have a few slick roads and stuff from the lake effect snow they got yesterday and stuff. See a few slowdowns here just west Paw Paw, Michigan, and up towards Holland, the Muskegon area. Get a few slowdowns there in Michigan, but other than that, the major interstates are looking pretty clear. So if I get any more information, I will go and do another weather update later on, especially if I found out any more about that winter storm that's supposed to be coming in this weekend. So, alright, well, drive safely there, drivers, and stay out of the ditches and stay off boneheaded truckers. This is Greg signing off for my morning update.